Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Ayush Kumar Singh. I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So today we are going to have discussion on Cinematograph Act 1952. The Cinematograph Act 1952 was introduced in response to concern regarding the safety of a building in which the films were shown following a number of incidents involving highly unstable nitrate film stock setting fire to a number of cinemas. The Cinematograph Act brought cinemas under a local authority control, and request them to be licensed. The Cinematograph Act was first enforced on 1st January 1910. Now, Cinematographic Act 1952 is to make provisions for the certification of cinematograph films for exhibition and for regarding exhibitions by means of cinematographs. So now let's see the important provisions of Cinematograph Act 1952. Board of Film Censors. According to Section 3 of Cinematograph Act 1952, the central government constitute a board to be called the Board of Film Certification for the purpose of censoring films for public exhibition. The board constitute a chairman and 12 to 25 other members appointed by the central government. Section 4 talks about examination of film. Any person desiring to exhibit any film shall in the prescribed manner make an application to the Board of Certificate in respect thereof, and the board may by examining or having the film examined in a prescribed manner. Now, sanction the film for unrestricted public exhibition. Second, sanction the film for public exhibition restricted to adult. Or third, sanction the film for public exhibition restricted to member of any profession or any class of person having regard to the nature, content and theme of the film. Or fourth, direct the applicant to carry out some modification in the film as it thinks necessary before sanctioning the film for public exhibition under any of the foregoing clauses. Or fifth, refuse the sanction of the film for public exhibition. Section 5A talks about the certification of film. After examination of film, the board grants certificate to the person applying for the film suitable for unrestricted public exhibition is granted U certificate. The film suitable for unrestricted public exhibition which with an endorsement of the nature is granted UA certificate. The film is not suitable for unrestricted public exhibition, but it is suitable for public exhibition restricted to adult, or as the case may be, in suitable for the public exhibition restricted to the members of any profession or any class of person. It shall grant to the person applying for certificate in respect to the film an A certificate, or as the case may be, a S certificate. The certificate granted or an order refusing to grant a certificate in respect to any film shall be published in the Gazette of India. The certificate granted by the board under this section shall be valid throughout India for the period of 10 years. So, moving to appeals, according to section 5C, any person appealing for a certificate in respect of a film who is aggrieved by any order of the board refusing to grant a certificate, or granting any certificate, granting only a certificate, or granting only a S certificate, or granting only a UA certificate, or directing the applicant to carry out any exercises on modification, or made within 30 days of the date of such order, prefer an appeal to the tribunal by a petition in written, and shall be accomplished by a brief statement of reason for the order to appealed against, where such statement has been finished to an appellant, and by such fees not exceeding rupees of 1000. Section 5D talks about Constitution of Appellant Tribunal. The central government shall, by notification in the official gazette, constitute an appellate tribunal for hearing appeals against any order of the board under Section 5C. The head office of a tribunal shall be at New Delhi or at such place as the central government may, by notification of official gazette, specify. Such tribunal shall consist a chairman and not more than 4 other members appointed by the central government. So now Section 13. Section 13 gives central government or local authority to suspend exhibition of a film in certain cases. The lieutenant governor or as the case may be, the chief commissioner in respect of a whole or any part of union territory, and the district magistrate in respect of a district within his jurisdiction, any if he is option that any film which is being exhibited is likely to cause a breach of peace by order can suspend the exhibition of film by the order for a period of 2 months, and during such suspension the film shall be deemed to be an uncertified film in the state, part or district as the case may be. There are 3 broad features that are being proposed in the Bill of Cinematograph Act 2010 for India are an emphasis to computerize issue, incorporation of technical changes which have vastly changed since 1952 when the Cinematographic Act was enacted, and much harder punishment in case of copyright violation. So I hope you find the video informative. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.